my name is Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this polar whale floating tray. When I think about the ultimate relaxation, I do think of having a nice drink by me, maybe 2 drinks, and sometimes my water or a tea, or having the option to have snacks there and available to me when I'm in the spa is so nice and makes it for just the ultimate spa experience. And this tray is great for not only me, but for sharing. There's enough for everybody. You can add 4 drinks, you can add your snacks. There's enough room and space. It's not too bulky, but it really does provide enough for everyone. I love that it's durable. It's not flimsy. Even when I turn on the jets, it didn't sink or tilt over, but held everything up so nicely. And this foam is great. It's not something that I can see breaking down. Even when I set it on the side of the brim, it didn't flatten or tilt over because it's a stiff tray. So it's perfect for relaxing and reliability and just having the best spa experience. And that's my point of view.